Base pay is not the whole offer. Here's how to see the real number. Welcome back to Public to Private Careers. If you're transitioning from federal, state, or local government or any public sector role, private sector offers can feel confusing because the money is packaged differently. And that confusion is exactly how people accept a higher salary that's actually a worse deal, or reject a slightly lower base that would have been the smarter move. In this video, I'm going to show you how to evaluate an offer using lot 5 total comp buckets. They are base, bonus, equity, sign on, and PTO. And I'm going to give you the exact questions to ask so you can compare offers like a pro. Public sector compensation is often standardized. It involves steps, grades, ranges, and predictable increases. Private sector compensation is negotiated and structured. That means two people can have the same title and totally different compensation packages. So today, we're not guessing, we're calculating. Bucket one is base pay. That is the guaranteed part. Here's what you must check before you fall in love with a number. First, is this number market aligned for the role, the level, and the location? Not what you wish it was, what the market is paying for that scope. Second, does the base reflect the actual expectations? If the role is an HR business partner, but the scope is really HR business partner plus employee relations lead plus project manager plus trainer, the base should reflect that. Third, is there a clear salary band? If there's no band, you need to get clarity on how they make pay decisions and how raises work. And here's the truth. If the base is weak, you don't make it up with vibes. You make it up with negotiated terms. Bucket two is bonus. Bonus is not salary. Bonus is variable compensation. Here are the questions that you need to ask. One, is the bonus discretionary or formula based? What's the bonus target percentage? What percentage of employees actually receive that bonus? And then four, is it based on company performance, team performance, or my individual performance? Because a 15% bonus target can be 15%, or it can be 3%, or it can be zero. And if you can't explain how bonus is earned, you cannot count it as guaranteed income. Bucket three is equity. And equity can be life changing or meaningless, depending on the company and the vesting terms. So ask these questions. Number one, is it RSUs, stock options, or another equity vehicle? Number two, what is the vesting schedule? Number three, is there a 1 year cliff? Number four, what happens if I leave before vesting? Number five, is there a liquidity event such as an IPO, an acquisition, or is this a private company with no clear path? Equity sounds exciting, but you don't accept mystery compensation. You accept compensation you understand. Bucket 4 is sign-on bonus. And bucket 4, such as the sign-on bonus, are often used when base salary is tight. Ask this. First, is there a payback clause? Second, how long must I stay to keep it? Then 3, is it paid upfront or split? If it is split and tied to staying, it's not really a sign-on bonus. It's a retention lever, and you need to treat it like risk. Then there's bucket number 5, which is PTO. And public sector folks, this is where the surprise hits. You must ask, first, how many PTO days do I get in year 1? Number 2, is sick time separate or combined? Number 3, do unused days roll over or pay out? Number 4, what's the culture? Do people actually take time off? And a quick warning, unlimited PTO can be great, or it can be a trap where no one uses it. The policy is one thing, the culture is another. So now here's the layer most people skip: benefits and hidden costs. Healthcare premiums and deductibles, retirement match, commute costs, parking, child care, flexibility, remote work support, travel expectations, even time, because travel and long commutes are a cost. A higher base with worse health care can be a pay cut, and you don't want to learn that after you've resigned. So, here's how to calculate the real number. Step 1, start with base. That's guaranteed. Step 2, add expected bonus, not best case, but expected. Step 3, add equity only if you understand vesting and likelihood of value. Step 4, add sign on, then divide it by the number of months you must stay. Step 5, subtract added costs such as healthcare, commute, required travel, anything that changes your out of pocket. Now you have a clearer picture of what you're actually accepting. So once you know what's missing, you can negotiate with clarity. You don't say, I was hoping. You say, based on the scope and the market, here's what would make this offer work. And if base won't move, you negotiate a trade. Sign on, guaranteed first year bonus, your PTO accrual, a remote schedule, or a 6-month comp review. So, if you want my exact worksheet for this, download the offer evaluation checklist, comment offer, and I'll send you the PDF. And tell me in the comments, which bucket do you think people misunderstand the most? Bonus, equity, sign on, or PTO? If you've gotten value from this content today, please click on that thumbs up or like button. Let the algorithm know that this is great information that other people need to find out about. Also, know that my goal is to help you live your best career life. And I know you know other people who want to live their best career life as well. So please share the info. Then, when you feel comfortable, consider subscribing to my channel. I drop these gems about once a week, and then sometimes I drop a few surprises too, including bonuses. So I would love to have you be a member of my public to private careers transition community. It's awesome. Until next time. Oh, also, I'll be hosting a free workshop really soon. I'll put the link below the video if you're watching, or at the bottom if you're reading. And I look forward to seeing you there too, because I'll be dropping some more gems about how to master your job search. So I look forward to seeing you there. I hope you have an awesome, awesome week, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.